Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on the Budget. I'm Stephanie and I'm glad you're here. Have you ever felt that your home should be beautiful and actually work for the life you're living right now? Now, if that's you, then you found the right channel. Now today I'm continuing on with my 7 days Tablescape Christmas. Now the day 3 today is the Modren Tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how my Modren Tablescape came out, you know what to do. Stick around.
First Noel, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd.
Now this Modren Tablescape came out kind of cute. I didn't do a table runner and I think it turned out really good. The lanterns, you know, they came from the Dollar Tree, as well as the candle holders and the candles inside. They were from Dollar Tree. The napkins came from the Tablecloth Factory. The black napkin rings were thrifted. The black placemats came from At Home years ago. The clear gold beaded charger plates. They came from the Dollar Tree. The plates and the dessert plates, they were a gift from a YouTube sister. The wine glasses, they came from IKEA. So everything on here I already had in my stash, and the gold flatware came from Walmart. So I hope you like it. Let me know down in the description. Now let me know down below what you thought of my touch of Modren for Christmas. I'd love to read your comments. Now thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you feel inspired to create a space both beautiful and perfectly decorated for you on a budget. Now don't forget that you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Those links will be down below. I love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.